Welcome, future millionaires, to another hot episode of Personal Finance with moi, Professor X. Today, we are going to get into some stock market vocabulary. I know a lot of you in the last couple months you've been home, you've had maybe a little bit more money on your hands. You might have opened up a Robinhood account or some other brokerage account, and you might be a little bit new to the stock market game. And so today, the vocabulary term that we're going to talk about are stock splits. Terry, I know you own stocks, and I think you've got a Robinhood account. What's going on in your account these days?
Let me take a look.
Buy, hold, sell?
Well, my Tesla stock split, and I'm not 100% sure what that means.
Yeah, a lot of people have had their shares split recently. Both Tesla and Apple shares have both split in the last several months. And the best way for us to explain the meaning of a stock split is with, of course, our favorite thing.
Pizza.
Pizza. So first we have one box, one share, one pie of hot and ready pizza. And imagine this pizza as your Tesla stock before it's split. We can see that it's a normal standard sized pizza that's been cut into 4 slices. Now when Tesla decides to split its stock, we're gonna just take this exact same pizza and cut each one of those 4 slices into 2. That would be a 2-for-1 stock split, which is the most common type of stock split. The pizza's the same size, it's the same pizza it was yesterday, but instead of 4 slices, there are now 8.
Which could possibly mean that more people could afford the stock, driving up the cost of future demand.
Yeah, that's basically why they do it. Most of the time, a stock split is about making shares more affordable for individual investors like yourself and other people in our community that might have a Robinhood account. But it doesn't mean that anything fundamentally about the business is better or worse. All it means is that its shares are more affordable and that you're buying an ownership stake in the company that's a little bit smaller than it would have been the day before.
So remember, when a stock splits, it's not necessarily a good thing or a bad thing. It just means it's more affordable.
It just means it's more affordable. And so take a look at your portfolio. Do you trade on Robinhood? Do you have a brokerage account? What stocks are you following? Comment below and tell us about it.
So I use Robinhood. What other options are there?
Robinhood is really popular and it's super easy to use. There's a lot of other brokerage accounts out there. I use Ally. You can have Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Ameritrade, and I think maybe in a future episode, we'll spend a little bit more time talking about what all of you should be thinking about if you would like to decide to open up a brokerage account.